girls and boys, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a collab here, Wisin and Mora. I believe Wisin has been here before. Not sure about Mora, but anyway, they are going a little bit loco here with Bien Loco. So this has this standard kind of rhythm going on here for these kind of songs. We have 4 chords that goes in the same with the entire song, so it's a very easy song to handle and play on guitar. So let's do that together. We have the capo set here on the 3rd fret. So with that we have C, A minor, E minor, and D. Starting with the chords and C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. You go over to an A minor, very easy. Just lift off the 3rd A and put it on the 2nd G instead. All the strings will stay as they are. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. That's the A minor. E minor, you just move up 1 string, and get this grip. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern here. Like I said, very common for these rhythms. It goes down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Down first, and then a longer pause or so, and then up, clap, down, and then after the last down there you go immediately back to the first down again and hit that. So a couple rounds of this strumming pattern goes. Yeah, so the chord progression will be the same as we learned the chords, so C to A minor to E minor to D. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, and that, my friends, that is it. So let's do a couple chord progression rounds like this. So it doesn't have to be harder than that to be a little bit loco with the guitar. Bien Loco by Wisin and Mora. This one was for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.